First thing I want to highlight really is, or second thing perhaps, is the web interface. We've redone it completely this year.
Yep.
It's an all-new framework. It's the brand new HTML5. It's the JavaScript. It is a combined user. We used to have two.
We used to have the user and admin, and it was a bit of a pain to be frank, because you go, oh, I got to log into that other interface. So much easier now.
So I'm going to show it off a bit. Bring it up here. And here it is. If I log in, let's log in as a user. So this person has very few permissions here.
Yep.
If I come into repositories, I can see I've got these different repositories. So instead of showing services, for this year we're showing repositories.
Right.
Because it makes sense to look at what you've got.
That's right. That's right.
And
I know this guy he has a few repositories there, but he only has on the left-hand side, he only has repositories. So there's no security or anything like that. Right. So this is a very
flexible.
Yeah, and this user doesn't have much opportunity to get himself into trouble, does he?
That's right. And if you see, I type in project here, we can filter very quickly down to what we're interested in.
Yep.
If I go into samples, again, we have this quick filter ability, so I can type in Austin, or I can type in KML, and it'll filter down, because the users tend to have lots of different workspaces in a repository.
Right.
So that helps them out. Let's go into one of these workspaces here. And if we come into configure, we can see similar layout to before. This year now we have drop-down menus, so it's very easy to access the different options.
Yeah.
These come out of the workspace. The workspace configures those options. Developer information is still there, so if you do want to create your own form or have a link to run this transformation,
it's just copy and paste.
Copy and paste. That's right. And I'm gonna go ahead and run that. And it goes.
Well, this is new.
Yeah, this is new. This is a new spinner. We had a spinner last year, so it's a new look for the spinner.
Right, right.
And it'll finish up here. This is running. Yeah, this is running the data download service, so I would expect to get a zip file back.
Right.
It's running a little long here, which makes me worried slightly.
Yes, it is. It's on your local machine.
It is on my local machine.
Yeah.
Perhaps I'll start one online as well.
That's.
I'm going to go to another server.
Yeah, that's right. This one's running on AWS.
Yeah.
So at SAFE, all our public-facing servers now, and if people are interested, are running on Amazon AWS, and then we have this ability to spin a new one up, and we use our data migration as we upgrade this server. This server now here was upgraded yesterday. It's running SP1 actually, and
very good.
Yeah. So. There we go.
There we
go. So now you can. Well, it's actually better seeing it over the wire anyway, as far as I'm concerned.
That's
so there
true.
we go.
Yeah.
And it was downloaded, and there you go.
There's our data.
Yeah.
And let me just check back here.
Still going. I think your server.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to restart the server there, and we can just ignore that, but it'll restart.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the web interface. We also, you notice I have more options here.
That's right. So this user, whoever you logged in as, has
the
administrator, he has a bit more. Yeah. And was that the next thing you're going to show anyway?
That was actually.
Okay. There you
go.
go.
If I come in here to the jobs screen here,
yeah.
Which the users don't have, we have a new jobs view here where I can very quickly see that one failed, this one succeeded, and you get a little preview of parameters that were sent in.
Yeah.
You can come in here and just like last year, you can see what the result was. And
I like the new log though. It's I like it a lot better.
It's very nice. It shows you up to 500 lines rather than just 20.
That's right. That's right. And you can download it as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.